Hey everybody, it's Nivesary here, and I'm really excited to show you something. I came across this little gem today. It just kind of like popped up in my feed, and I just got to share it with you. It's called Logan the Wolf, a Wolverine fan film. And this, you got to see this. You got to see this. You ready? Let's do this. Let's just enjoy this together for the first time. Whoa. Following short films fan made is neither endorsed nor affiliate. Okay.
I am wrath. I am chaos and balance.
I like it.
I am
good.
death and resurrection.
I am death.
I am Fenrir's fury.
Nice. What do we have here? Anger. Looks like it's taking place in the Viking days. Looks like Vikings. Yeah. Symbolism. Fish. The claw marks through it. Logan. Ooh, look at this. With the X and the O. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. Oh, nice.
I've been waiting for you.
You should have run instead.
I don't run away from miserable creatures.
I've heard a lot about you.
I ain't afraid of you.
Stories are told about a ferocious war that
Ooh.
butchers women and children. And
yeah?
even slaughtered 20 of Gunnar's men. Alone.
Alone.
Lies! Nothing more than fairy tales to scare little kids. Lord Ottar put a bounty on your head. And I don't give a shit what they say about you or what you've done.
Oh,
We are here for the money.
I'm coming to take you in. You going with me, buddy? Yeah. Come on.
Are you sure it's worth it?
Such a leader, man.
I love
It
it.
surely is.
Are you sure it's worth it? You stand to lose a lot more than just money, buddy.
I leave one of you alive so you can warn your sons about those fairy tales.
Nice. Yeah, come on.
Get him!
Yeah. Come on. Oh, yeah. Nice. Oh. What? Look at this. Right through him. And he ain't dead. No. Ow. Right in the head. Boy, that must have been her husband. Man. Come on. Yes. Ooh, nice. What are you? Oh, you're dead now. Right through the heart. Like,
So much for
shit.
that. Take the body.
So much for Mr. Tough Guy. Pick up the body. Let's go claim the reward. Oh, what the hell just happened? Hey, what was that noise? The hell was that? Oh. Don't count me out too quick. Oh, look at them claws. Oh! I guess this little ditty here answers the question, how old is Wolverine? Looks like he goes all the way back to the Viking days.
What kind of demon are you?
I am Logan the Wolf.
I am Logan the Wolf. Bam! Go! Take this and this. Oh yeah. Oh, pulled his guts all the way out. Look at this. Yep, you killed me before. Guess what? I got you now. Right through the head. Hey. Come on. Oh, I heard that. Oh, right behind him. Damn. Axe time. I got an axe to grind with you, buddy. That's it. Face on the axe. That's okay. I let you cut me. Draw blood. And I kill you. And you have to be from the stick all the way up there. Come down here. Nice. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, he cut the claws. Because at the end of the day, they're probably only bone claws. And not adamantium yet. Man! Look at him go. Wow. Man. Non-stop action. Oh. Oh. I'm just getting started. And look, there goes the healing. Okay, you still alive?
You freak.
Not for long.
Leave now and tell your kind about me. Tell your kind a new god will soon rule. Tell your kind
god.
a new era is upon them. Go now!
New era is upon them. What the hell was that?
Impressive.
If you're here for the bounty, just look at them and see your end.
Very promising. I've been watching you. You have something
Who's this guy?
unique that brings my attention.
Uh-oh.
What do you want?
I want you to join
Who are you?
me. Together we would be unstoppable.
No man walking these lands can slay me. What would I be doing with you?
You know, we're not so different, you and I. We share the same aversion and repugnance for those animals. If we gather...
I don't need you. Just go home. Whilst you can.
Oh, no, you still can. Oh, look at this. I think we know what that is. Magneto. Look at this. Oh.
See? I am just like you. A god among the commons. But instead humans call us monsters. They fear us. They want us extinct.
And trust me, they'll keep hunting us down and slaughter the ones we love until all our heads onto their spikes. But we're about to change that.
That isn't my concern, mortal. Last warning.
Ooh,
That's a
last
shame.
warning.
I thought you'd understand.
Yeah.
You're going to die like the rest of them.
Show me.
Nice. First assistant, yeah. Director of photography, Teddy Mason. Nice. Battlefield War Legends. Excellent. Amazing. This is better than most of the Marvel films that have been produced this year. And this is a fan film. What does that tell you out there? What does that tell you? It tells you that the directors of the future, the writers of the future, the actors of the future are still out there and still haven't been discovered. The ones that are gonna write those stories that we all want to see, like this. They're out there still, waiting to be discovered, waiting to write those stories, waiting to put those stories on film and on video and in the digital media. Yeah. Come on, Marvel. Wake up, smell the coffee, and look at this. Look at this. This is the kind of stuff that's gonna wake people up. That's gonna wake you up, Marvel. You need to be woken up by the fans. Amazing. I love this. I love it. I love it. This is phenomenal. Logan the Wolf, a Wolverine fan film. Better than most Marvel films produced this year. Man, what can I possibly say? See more of this and content like it? Hit that like and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one.